Hello hackers! Welcome back to hakBits. In today's video, we're tackling an exciting hack-the-box machine called GetCap. Let's dive in. First, download the OpenVPN file for this machine from the HackTheBox website. Open your terminal, navigate to the location of the file, and type sudo openvpn. Once you see green lab access in the top right corner of your screen, the VPN connection is successful. Now, open another terminal and run a basic Nmap scan to discover open ports on the target machine. Type Nmap, simple S capital V, and target IP. The scan reveals 3 open ports: FTP, SSH, and HTTP. That's our first question answered. In a new browser tab, type the machine's IP address in the URL bar. You'll find a web dashboard. After navigating through the menu, I discovered a security snapshot page. The URL contains the answer to the second question. Take a closer look. The next question asks, can you access other users' scans? Let's test it. By manipulating the ID parameter in the URL, I changed it to another number and voila, I could see other user scans. That's a security flaw worth noting. It's time to dig deeper. Searching through the files, I found a PCAP file that contains sensitive data. Inside the PCAP file, there's an FTP request with a username and password. Using the credentials from the PCAP file, I logged into the machine via Secure Shell. After logging in, I found the user flag. Now let's escalate privileges. Running the GetCap command, I discovered that Python 3.8 had the capability to change user IDs. This means we can potentially exploit it to gain root access. By executing a simple Python command, I gained root privileges and captured the root flag. And that's it. We've successfully owned the cap machine. Thanks for watching. And if you enjoyed this walkthrough, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to hakBits, and stay tuned for more hacking tutorials. Stay safe and happy hacking.